how to use Google Translate on your iPhone. So if you want to go and translate either text, video, or audio, then I'm going to show you how we can do this. Now the first step is just to open up the App Store on your phone. So I'm going to search for App Store and open this up like so. Click on the search box in the bottom right hand side and then just go and search for Translate and press search. Now if you don't already have this installed, click on the Get button next to Google Translate. Once it's finished installing, click on Open. Now from here there's a few different tools that we can use inside of the Google Translate. So the first and the most obvious one is translating text. So I've got this example text on my internet browser and I'm just going to copy this paragraph to show you what this looks like. So once you've copied your text, you can head back over to the Translate application and I'm going to paste in my text like so. Now once you've pasted in your text, what we need to do is click on the language in the bottom navigation and make sure this is set to detect language. You can then click on the arrow in the middle of the screen. And then we need to select which language we want this translated into. So I'm going to click on the second language, which is currently Spanish, and I'm going to set mine to English like this. And just like that, it's now translated this Spanish text into English. Now you can also click on this audio icon next to the text, and this is going to read out the text in the desired language. Now some other things you can do is if you come back over to the home screen, you can click on the camera icon in the bottom right hand side. Make sure to allow access to your camera. And then what you can do is go and scan some text that's already in front of you. So this works in real time. So anything you have in front of your camera that you want to be translated, it will automatically show you the translated language for that text. You can also translate your voice into a different language as well. So to do this, we first need to change our language. So I'm going to click on Detect Language and I'm going to change this back over to English. Now you can see we have the microphone icon available. So we can click on this, click on Allow. And then what you can do is go and use your voice to read something out on the screen here. Once you've finished, just press the stop button and it's going to translate all of this from English into French or basically any language that you go and select. So those are the three options you have in Google Translate. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.